On the left is a 1x2 shot processed via the Premiere Pro no-stitch workflow, and it looks grainy. And on the right is the same 1x2 shot processed via Insta360 Studio, and it looks very clean. Insta360 Studio has that one crucial option which will make your 1x2 footage look so much better. So let me show you what it is. Usually I would use the Premiere Pro no-stitch workflow because it speeds up the editing process. I can drag and drop the INSV files directly into Premiere Pro and start editing. Right click the file, go to Source Settings, and here I can apply the various settings to my 1x2 footage. But there are two issues. One, there is no option to remove grain. And two, Premiere Pro will not remember your source settings the next time you open your project, even if you save it. And this becomes very annoying when you have lots of footage in your timeline. So to get around these problems, I use a new workflow. Drag the INSV file into Insta360 Studio first to process the 360 footage. Choose which part of the 360 footage you want to export. Make it as short as you can to avoid long export times. Check all the settings you need and click Export. I shot my footage in H.265, so I will export in H.265 as well. If you don't have a computer optimized for editing, then select H.264 to avoid long export times. Remove grain is the key missing option from the Premiere Pro no-stitch workflow. This option will make your 1x2 footage look nice and clean. Choose where to save your processed 360 video clips and click OK. So now the stitching and effects will be baked into your exported 360 video clip. Once Insta360 Studio has finished exporting your 360 video clip, it will become a single MP4 file. You can import this MP4 file into any 360 video editor of your choice, Premiere Pro, Cyberlink Power Director, or Final Cut Pro. So for example, I will drag and drop this file into Premiere Pro, and now I can carry on editing as normal. You can close and reopen your project, and your footage will preserve the settings and effects since it's baked in. Create a proxy file so the editing experience is smooth. Using QuickTime and via monoscopic option, click OK and Media Encoder will open up to create the proxy file. Add the 360 video clip into a 4K timeline. Reframe it using the GoPro FX Reframe plugin and add your keyframes. And to export your reframed 360 video in the highest video quality possible, go to File, Export Media, select the format H.265, select the preset 4K Ultra HD, choose where you want to save the file, change the target bitrate to 60, set the quality to higher, and click Export. When you export a video from the Insta360 app, you can check Remove Grain here, which will do exactly the same thing. That's it. Now you know how to remove grain from your 1x2 footage, and I'll see you in the next video.